Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Summer 2018 is looking bright for Saint International. The modeling agency's faces continue to be in high demand as renowned fashion industry platform Models.com has featured 15 Saint stars in a recent glowing fashion editorial. The digital feature was flora-themed and was shot in the gardens of Jamaica Pegasus Hotel right here in Kingston. Tammy Williams, who has modeled for brands such as Calvin Klein, Balmain, Dolce & Gabbana, Chanel and others, was one of those featured faces. This marks the fifth time that Models.com has covered Saint International and its models within the past 2 years. Further, several international fashion outlets have visited the island within the past few weeks to work with Saint models. These include Getty Images, Now Fashion, Pop Magazine, V Magazine, and influential blogger Jason Campbell. Music producer Dale Dizzle Virgo has released his new reggae EP dubbed Upful. Released through his own label Dizzle Records, Upful features 10 tracks with top-tier Jamaican artists such as Christopher Martin, Ja Vinci, D.A.J. and Short Boss, among others. Virgo benefited from the assistance from Troy Baker and Ryan Byfield for the production of the project. Upful has been released on major platforms like Apple Music and Spotify. Jamaica's writer and director Storm Salter's sophomore film, Sprinter, premiered at the American Black Film Festival in Miami, Florida on Wednesday. The 90-minute film was shot in Jamaica and Los Angeles over 5 weeks. It follows a 17-year-old Rastafarian high school track and field student who has ambitions of qualifying for the national youth track and field team. He hopes to reunite with his mother, an illegal immigrant in the United States, by competing at the World Youth Championship. Akeem is played by social media sensation and comedian Dale Elliott, who goes by the name Ellie the Viner. The film also features Chantal Jackson, Dennis Titus, and Kadeem Wilson as supporting cast. American actor and actress Will Smith and his wife Jada are executive producers of the film. Sprinter is set to be officially premiered before the end of the year. Now, on the international scene, American actor, producer, rapper, and comedian Will Smith has kept it all in the family as he has now remixed his son Jaden Smith's Icon song and the video. On the remixed track, Will adds his own touch to the song, where he spoke about his iconic family and hints that his retirement will be funded by Jaden's music career. The original track was featured on Jaden's 2017 debut album titled Sire. With help from reggaeton rapper Nicky Jam, Will raps in both Spanish and English on his version of Icon. The remixed music video features some animation, a glimpse of his wife Jada, and some throwback family photos. His son's success seemed to have motivated Will's return to the music after such a long hiatus, as he recently announced on his social media account that he is back in the studio. Live It Up, the official World Cup 2018 song, is just one of the projects to come from Will since his return. The track was released on Thursday and features artists Nicky Jam and Era Estrafe. Live It Up was produced by Diplo from Major Lazer. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching. Have a nice weekend.